Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Tesla vehicle and get the latest software update. So most of the time, I just update this through the Tesla app on my phone. So if you go to the Tesla app right here and select this, a lot of times it'll just prompt you to update it. So I'll just get an update randomly, and then you can see like the release notes right here and stuff. Here's version 14.3 that just came through. So a lot of times I just update it through like a prompt or a notification on my phone. So get the Tesla app on your phone. You can unlock your vehicle with it. Just go to the Google Play Store and type in Tesla and get the Tesla app. That's the best way to probably keep it up to date. Otherwise, you can just go to Controls right here and going down to Software. And you can update it manually right here. It should show you a pop-up, and just go to Advanced, and you can get the updates a little bit earlier if you have this selected. But if there's an update, it should show an option right there where you can just press that and it'll update your vehicle. But like I said, as soon as I sign into the Tesla app and I use that, usually it will prompt me to update the vehicle. So you can update the vehicle, and sometimes it takes like an hour. And I'm on Wi-Fi here too. But yeah, get the Tesla app. It'll prompt you to update, and there's really no it makes it really easy. You just update it there, and then your vehicle is good. You don't have to check it out in the car or anything. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.